That's a king parrot up in the gum tree. Maybe it's eating a gum blossom or a gum nut or something. It's got a nice red tummy, hasn't it? That just shows your tummy. And there's a big red pomegranate. King parrots eat pomegranates. Nice big red one. That one's been eaten out by a parrot, look. They've hollowed it out, they've eaten all the seeds. King parrots will do that. There's another pomegranate shell hollowed out by a king parrot. Do you remember when they used to make baubles, glass baubles? They used to have some Christmas baubles with a hollow in them like that. But that's what king parrots are capable of, hollowing out a pomegranate. All hollowed out they are. So someone had a full tummy. That's very important. Someone had a full tummy. They might leave one for a human being. They might leave one. There's one. So there's the culprit. There's the wicked king parrot. They like pomegranates. That king parrot is eating privet now. It's eating privet berries. So, king parrots will eat privet berries, and they will eat pomegranate seeds. They'll eat the red jelly around the pomegranate as well, seed as well. So if you must keep caged birds, you should at least give them some fresh seeds of things that they like privet, or a nice juicy pomegranate full of seeds. That was a king parrot. Oh, it is upstairs. It's gone upstairs a bit. There's a king parrot silhouette.